Open up that garage door, Amy. This car has been undercover. It is our Mercedes. Take that cover off. All right, we're going to talk about owning this car, obviously, for 10 and a half years, but also it is now 15 years on the road last month. Want to show you something. Look at this. This is the actual Mulroney sticker that it came with back in the day. In focus, not in focus, not in focus, they're in focus, they're in focus. All right, and out of focus. But trust me, it's there. And we have all the paperwork. Look, it's still got dusty through the...
I know.
How did that...
Even with the cover on.
Crap covers.
Yeah.
Just grab it.
Yeah.
Starter up. Hasn't been started in a couple of weeks. I love hearing it start with the roar when it comes to life.
Yes.
The sound of victory. Let's take a tour of the car. It still looks nice, although it's a little wet out, right? So,
yeah.
Okay. So again, it's a 2011 C63 and pretty good shape. What would you say?
Well, we bought it 15 years ago.
No, we bought it 10 years ago. It's 15 years old.
Oh, okay.
We bought it, it was 4 years old, 4.5 years old.
Yeah.
Just coming out of warranty probably from the original owner, some grandpa.
Yeah.
Literally, he was a 69-year-old grandfather who wanted to buy a Porsche. So there you go.
Yes.
Okay, so let's take a look. Is the original wheels, brakes are still good. On the original brakes, by the way. I have put the Expel on it. Stop with rock chips.
Yep.
This better be dirt. Yeah, okay. Wow, that's good. I love these brakes. They're so pretty.
This car, I mean, it looks the same as the day you bought it.
It does look pretty darn good.
Yeah, it does.
It's a lot like us. It's aged well.
It's aged well.
Okay. Everything looks good. Yeah, I would say that, except for this right here. These break all the time, but
The rocks, right?
one rock and you're out.
Yeah.
No damage.
No damage at all.
Yeah.
Paint still looks brand new.
Paint looks good.
Paint looks awesome.
Yeah, and
Basically,
but the only thing that happened in the past year that was actually cost us money was the battery, which is under here. That was $500, but it lasted 14 years through the Canadian winters when it would start.
yeah.
So pretty good. But now let's talk money, because not like it was free.
No.
Okay. How much do you think it costs us per month for repair bills in the past 10 and a half years? Just take a wild guess. I did the math.
Okay.
I've got all the bills.
All the bills over
Right.
10 years.
10 and a half years, right? Which is 126 months, right? So if you averaged it all out, how much it would be for maintenance per month? Not gas, but just
Yeah.
fixing stuff, from tires to batteries to other things.
$25? I don't know.
You're so nice. You're so
It doesn't
pretty.
seem like that we have it in very often for things. That's why.
No, it's only been in for the battery, and that was it in the past 12 months. Let's go inside where it's warmer and you're not freezing, all right?
Sounds good.
All right. We look cool with our glasses, is what she told us. Yeah.
Yeah.
No sun here, no sun there. All right. So you said it was $25 a month. Why are you saying that? I don't know what it's thinking. Well, it's right here. See, there it is. Okay. No. We have spent $13,000 in maintenance in the past 10 and a half years. Comes out to $102 a month.
Oh, okay.
Not bad. Yeah.
That's not too bad.
Yeah. So, right, if you look at it that way, total cost, though, if you include how much you bought the car for, remember it was 4.5 years old, and then maintenance, it averages out to $484 a month. Cars are expensive. And luxury cars are even more expensive, right? The full math is the guy bought it for $84,000. And in 4 years, he still put in $4,000 worth of maintenance. That's despite the warranty. Like, he still had stuff he had to buy, right? Outside of warranty, including tires, right? So that was $88,000. We bought the car for $48,000, did $13,000 worth of maintenance in the past 10 and a half years. So $102 a month, or it ends up being $464 a month if you include the cost of ownership. However, how much could we sell the car for? Could we sell it for $25,000? It only has like 42,000 miles on it.
I think we
which
could
probably
sell it for more than 25.
I don't know. No, I think 20
No?
to 25, right? So that definitely lowers the cost. It goes from being 61 to 36 over 10 years, right? Is $3,600 a year, about $300 a month. So if we look at it that way, it's about $300 a month to own the car. And that's not bad. Whew. You saved us, Amy.
Saved us.
You saved us. All right. So that tells us we should probably be quiet about it. But final question. Worth it?
Definitely worth it. This car is awesome. It's so reliable and solid and fun. Yeah,
Knock on wood.
it is. It's a really fun car to drive. It's crazy.
It is. It's our daily driver. We just don't drive daily very far. That's
No,
what it comes down
not
to.
too far. But, I mean, you could.
Yeah. What should people do?
Please like and subscribe to our channel. We'd greatly appreciate it.
We need money for gas.
We
This
do.
car is not good on gas.
Not really.
Someday we'll own a car that's good on gas or doesn't use gas at all. But today is not that day.
It's not that day. Yeah.